aircraft more manoeuvrable even than the Su-26, says team pilot Steve Jones. Immensely strong and light is how he describes this aircraft, which, Steve says, set out in its specification to mimic the aerobatic nature of radio-controlled model aircraft. Another crossover now, straight in front of us. And here they are rejoining now for one of the Matador's signature manoeuvres, the inside-outside loop. Paul Bonhomme will be inverted, Steve Jones the right way up. Paul comes from an aviation family. His father was an Army Air Corps pilot, his mother a stewardess for British European Airways. It was no surprise that Paul got into aviation, starting as a hangar rat at White Waltham. He got his private pilot's license at 18, began displaying at Pitts in 1986 at the age of 22, and he flew for that great aerobatic pilot Richard Good for many years. Here they are getting into mirror formation. The Matadors get ready for the inside-outside loop. Paul became an airline pilot with Air Cymru in Boeing 737s, and he rose to become a British Airways 747 captain. You know him well at Duxford, of course. He's a warbird pilot for the Fighter Collection, the old flying machine company. He started out with TFC, displaying their aircraft in the early 1990s, and in 2009 to 10, he became a two-time RedBull Air Race World Series champion. Steve Jones, meanwhile, began his aviation career on the engineering side. Age 16, he learned to fly the following year. His pilot jobs included glider towing, banner towing, corporate jet flying, and airline captain, the latter on Boeing 747s. Smoke on, and maybe you can guess what's coming next, as the RedBull Matadors fly the Heart. Steve Jones has been flying aerobatics since 1983. He won the King's Cup Air Race in 1991 and the 1996 British Aerobatic Championship. Between 2004 and 8, he was a RedBull Air Race pilot, and he scored 2 wins in that time. Since 2010, he too has been on the warbird scene, flying the old flying machine company. And now a chance to see the individual aerobatic prowess of the SBach 300 or Extreme Air XA41. Steve Jones falling first. This one's known as a torque roll, the aircraft falling back through its smoke, tail sliding, rolling as it does so. And Paul Bonhomme running in now for his short solo demo. demonstration again of that power to weight ratio. Paul turning the aircraft into wind to bring it almost to a stop. The lightness of the aircraft design comes from the fact that, of course, it's all carbon fibre airframe. These two started displaying together in 1994, initially as the Sukhoi duo with a pair of Su-26s. Later, they became known as the Matadors and gained sponsorship from RedBull. It took delivery of the S-Bus in 2011, and this is their very first show on these aircraft with RedBull sponsorship. And on the top here, we'll again see a boot full of rudder being kicked in for another slide. Rolling inverted there, negative G coming on, as they make the inverted turn. That brings to a close a sensational display in their new mounts from Paul Bonhomme and Steve Jones together, the RedBull Matadors. We saw our next item getting airborne a little earlier.